What's going on, guys? Kevin Cage here with another crypto update. We'll keep this video short and sweet. We're going to run through some recent news. So first up, for XRP, I originally saw this post shared by Kashta, and we can see this exchange or crypto trading platform called Atlantis Exchange, registered by the US Department of the Treasury. And apparently they did list XRP just the other day. However, I need to look more into this to see if this is legitimate or if I'm looking at the correct links. We can see this handle on Twitter sharing the XRP listing. When we go to their page and I click this website, it actually says fraud and it doesn't let me visit the page. So I am personally steering clear of this. Maybe it's legit, but I don't want to take the chance. So I'll have to look more into it to see if this exchange or if we can find out that it's actually registered under the US Department of Treasury, but did want to share. And next up, we have this group Valor. So they announced a record assets under management up to 590 million Canadian dollars, I believe, with the launch of an XRP and a BNB exchange traded product on the NGM exchange or Nordic Growth Markets. So right here, Toronto DeFi Technologies. So DeFi Technologies is the company that pioneers the convergence of traditional capital markets with the world of DeFi, and their subsidiary Valor Inc. Now as we scroll up here, we can see investment products right on Valor.com, and we can see Cardano, DOT, Solana, and here we can see the Valor Ripple XRP ETP. So we can get a little information on that if you guys would like to learn more. We can also check out their prospectus right here and just do a control find to see the XRP mentions. Next up, shared by Ripple, we're excited to share that we are FinTech Breakthrough Award winners for 2024 for Best Cross-Border Payment Platform and Best DeFi Infrastructure Platform. So this is from FinTech Awards, and in this list we can see Ripple right there under B2B payments. And as we scroll through this, we can see some names that we know like Corpay, we can see MasterCard, we have FIS, Citi, ACI Worldwide, Airwallex. In a bunch of different categories, we can see Medico right there, Ripple's company under DeFi, and Coinbase right there. And note, two companies that are in this list include 21.co, we're going to highlight them super quick, and then Corpay. So going to 21.co's website, going to products, clicking 21 shares. We know this company has a variety of exchange traded products for a bunch of different assets, so AUM is over $3 billion. We can come up to products up here and click view products to see the assets. We've got a bunch from DOT, Elgo, Atom, AVAX, XLM, XRP, and XRP right here, AUM is around $58 million. And of course the AUM is going to fluctuate with the market like crazy. Bigger amounts of funds, a 10% market move is going to change this drastically. But what's important to note about these ETPs is they're 100% physically backed by XRP, the digital asset, or whatever said asset is behind or backing this ETP, and kept in cold storage by an institutional grade custodian. And going to Corpay super quick, remember back in July, Corpay and Ripple launch Netting Manager for global transactions. Next up, shared by Anders, so highlighting ISO 222. He shared an awesome link that I retweeted titled Demystifying ISO 222. So this article was posted this month by US Bank, and this is a great read for anybody to better understand what is ISO. Remember that Ripple the company is the first DLT company to join the ISO standards body. ISO 222 is a messaging standard. It does not replace the settlement of the asset, but it's equally as important. So we can see this timeline right here. This is really cool. November 2025. Swift MT message type to be phased out in favor of ISO 222 MX messages. Now, what's the benefit of everybody using the same format or messaging standard like ISO 222? This can automate everything. I highly recommend reading this if you have time, but this is super important. This eliminates data translation and automates reconciliation. It reduces compliance costs. And in the next couple years, ISO 222 message formatting will be migrating to the traditional core US electronic payment channels, after Fedwire goes live with the ISO format for both sending and receiving in spring of 2025. And the Swift MT messaging format is going to be going away and be replaced by ISO 222. And these two standards today coexist, and also on the horizon right here, banks are working to integrate the ISO 222 standard into automated clearinghouse or ACH payment messaging. And nacha right here is essentially the backbone of the entire ACH network. We've talked about them for years, which governs the ACH network. And they've developed right here a mapping guide and tool to assist financial institutions in translating ISO 222 instructions. Now, if you guys remember years ago, Ripple on their website had an article highlighting nacha. I found some screenshots shared by Bank XRP back in 2019. So this article used to have an awesome infographic that we've shared before on YouTube, and I have to find a video. I know that many of you guys already know about it, but when I click this link right here and I click this, it actually takes you to a 404 page. So I always wonder why some of the old blogs, their links don't work, if they're lost or they deleted, you never know, but I did find it posted by CoinDesk back in 2014, so joining the Nacha Alliance. So we can see right here as we scroll down, this is the infographic I'm referring to. So it's not a pyramid, it is just highlighting the payment stack. So Ripple payment stack. And at the very bottom, we can see settlement infrastructure. Next up, for Algorand. So I saw John Woods, the CTO of the Elgo Foundation, retweet this. And this is a P2P marketplace on top of Elgo that appears to be live so far, just starting out. The website is marketdorastacos.com. So I guess we can click different things. We can see coffee, connect our wallet, and it appears that we can actually order it by connecting our wallet and paying in USDC. Next up, and sorry if you can hear the rain in the background, it is a torrential downpour right now. So we have, shared by Watcher Guru, Ethereum Foundation is under investigation by state authority. So apparently the Ethereum Foundation could be under investigation by unnamed state authorities, according to a CoinDesk report. The nonprofit organization that is based in Switzerland supports the Ethereum ecosystem and has been subject to an investigation based on a GitHub commit. I'm not sure if there have been any statements released about this. Next up, the HBAR Foundation joins the Digital Euro Association. The Digital Euro Association, the DEA, is a think tank specializing in CBDCs, stablecoins, crypto assets, and other forms of digital money based in Frankfurt, Germany, in particular focusing on the digital euro. The HBAR Foundation's commitment to fostering a sustainable and innovative digital future complements the DEA's mission of enhancing the understanding, adoption, and development of stablecoin and CBDC initiatives, keeping tabs on a variety of DePIN category assets, especially those that are up and coming in the future. And also Pyth Network, I believe that's how you pronounce it, so I saw them integrate with Casper and HBAR. So oracles are now here with Pyth Network, paving the way for developers to build the next generation of institutional and retail DeFi products. So through Pyth, a first-party financial oracle network, Hedera devs now have access to over 400 financial data feeds to utilize in smart contract applications. This means that DeFi applications can pull aggregated, verified, real-time price data delivered on a sub-second timescale. We can see that Pyth Network also released the Casper US dollar price feed. Next up, we have this new AI-powered Web3 game integrated into Casper. So MetaHorse Unity, each horse here holds a MetaHorse NFT key. Next up, for Casper, shared by Rekt Vojak, I retweeted this. If you want to follow him and check out this 3-minute clip, we have David Tai, the lead developer over at Casper Swap, giving some updates to the Casper Swap ecosystem, different integrations with DeFi Llama, which will be nice, a CoinMarketCap listing, and then just overall upgrades to the user experience and contracts. That's enough for today. We'll talk more about Oracle extractable value that we highlighted a while back for API 3, even potentially some new assets as well. And as we get more price action, I'll share where I think we are in this cycle comparing 2017 when we got into all-time highs and came back down for a little bit before finally breaking into new all-time highs, and then even looking at 2020. So some of these periods took a couple months, other times it was really 2 or 3 weeks. So we're just going to have to wait and see what Bitcoin does next the first time we see, whether it's in 1 week or the next couple months, a major close above the previous all-time high. I'm getting super excited. Thanks for watching, guys, and huge thank you to all that hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, I'd greatly appreciate if you could hit the like button, let me know your thoughts down below, and my link tree is linked in the top of this YouTube video description, with all links, crypto resources, and discounts. I'll catch you in the next one.